In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly import a CSV file from Google Drive. Whether you're working on an important business project, managing data for a school assignment, or just organizing your personal files, this step-by-step guide will simplify your task. You'll need a Google account ready to go, and of course access to the internet. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged into your Google account. If not, you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access. This is the main hub where all your files are stored and organized, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look for the New button. You'll find it typically on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking this button brings up a range of options for creating and uploading files. This includes making new Google Docs, Sheets, and even forms that can help in various tasks. Today, however, our focus is on uploading. After clicking on New, you'll see an option labeled File Upload. This is the gateway to importing your CSV file from your local computer to Google Drive. Clicking on File Upload will open a File Explorer window that lets you browse through your computer's folders. Take your time to locate your CSV file. It's often helpful to know the file name in advance or where it's saved to streamline the process. Once you've found the right CSV file, select it and hit Open. The file will now start uploading to Google Drive. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Keep an eye on the bottom right corner of your Drive interface where you'll see a little pop-up confirming the upload progress. When the file has been uploaded successfully, the pop-up will disappear and your CSV file will be available right within Drive. With your CSV file now in Google Drive, you can easily share it with colleagues, open it in Google Sheets, or just store it safely for future use. Remember, files in Google Drive can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, making it exceptionally convenient for remote work or studies. And there you have it. Importing a CSV file from Google Drive is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your data like a pro. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial and happy uploading. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides to enhance your digital experience.